Okay. Your auto positioning sensor is out. Go ahead and plug it in. Give it some gas.